students, welcome to Study Live. In this lecture, we're going to talk about important topic which is nothing but the types of unit cell from solid state. Student, this is the basic topic. If you understand this topic, you will understand the chapter very well. It's a basics, you can say, okay? So if we talk about the types of unit cell, we can classify the unit cell majorly of the two types. First, we can say it as the simple or primitive type of unit cell. Yes, student. And the second one, we can say that non-primitive or just say multiple type of unit cell. These are the basic two classification of the unit cell that we can do. If we are talking about the simple or we can say primitive unit cell, what we can say that, okay? I want you to imagine, let's imagine a cube, yes? And in that cube, how many corners are there, student? So we can say that in a cube there are 8 corners, yes? I guess it's very much confusing. So let's try to understand this part with the image also. From the image, can we say that the first image, if you can see, the first row image, if you can see, the first column image, if you can see over here, let's consider this cube over here. There are 8 corners. Yes, on that each and every 8 corners, you will find one red dot. That red dot symbolizes the particle. Yes, student. So we can say that 8 corners, each corner contains one particle. So there are total 8 particles. So in case of simple or primitive unit cell, we can say that simple, on each corner of the unit cell, one particle is present. Yes, this is a very simple structure of this column that says us to for the SCC type of structure. Means we can say simple unit cell. Over here we are talking about the cube. So we can say that simple cubic centered structure. Yes, student. This is a SCC type of structure. We are using different animation to explain you this part. This is a simple diagram. If we say the 3D structure with the whole sphere, so if you can see this whole sphere, every sphere at the corner is touching each other, and if you say the sphere over here, just look at the sphere. If you can see this sphere, the corner sphere is touching other unit cell also. Yes, so therefore it is half sphere we are drawing over here. This is actually not half, we can say, it is actually 1/8 part. How this is 1/8 part, we'll discuss later some video, but important for you to understand, we can illustrate simple unit cell, simple cubic unit cell structure by this 3 representation. Yes, let's talk about the non-primitive or multiple unit cell over here. So if we are talking the non-primitive or multiple unit cell, the first in that we are going to talk about the body centered cubic unit cell. We are discussing for the cube only. So body centered unit cell. The second, face centered unit cell, and the last one, end centered unit cell. Yes, student. So now this was complete discussion for this, we can say simple or this primitive, yes, cell. So now student, if we talk about the body centered unit cell, just look at this diagram and let's try to understand what is there in body centered unit cell. So this is example for the body centered unit cell. So can we say that on each, just like simple unit cell structure, On each and every corner, can you see on each and every corner there is a particle present, and apart from that one center particle, can you see that one center particle over here? That is for simple representation for body centered unit cell. So what we can say for body centered unit cell, we can say simply that it is made up of what? 8 particles which is present at each and every corner. Yes, and apart from that one particle at body center. Yes, so as the word suggests, body centered unit cell. Don't you think it is very easy? Yes, definitely. So let's talk about the face centered unit cell. As the word suggests, we are having the word face over here. Yes, this is a representation, simple representation for face centered unit cell. So let's write this part also. Face centered unit cell. This is a simple cell, simple unit cell, face centered and body centered. So just like simple, they have on each and every 8 corners one particle, and apart from that in a cube, how many faces are present? We can say that there are 6 faces. Yes, and on each and every 6 faces we have one particle each. So let's write this part also for the face center, important part. 8 particles at all the 8 corners, so one corner, one particle each. Apart from that, see, body, face, all the simple is there, but apart from simple, few more particles are there, therefore we are using the word multiple. I'm hoping you get this part very clear. So apart from the corner, as was present in the simple, phase word. So 6 phase has one particle each. Yes, student. So 8 particles on 8 corners, 6 phases, 6 particles. That's it for the face centered unit cell. You can see simple representation for face centered. Yes, this is a 3D representation for the face center. Now let's talk about the end centered unit cell. As we had discussed, in case of non-primitive multiple, the basic structure would be of the simple unit cell only, but end centered, apart from the unit cell, so 8 particles at each corners, each 8 corners, that we can say total 8 particles are there because 8 corners we have, and with that we can say the parallel, 2 parallel faces are going to have the particles. Okay, so 2 opposite face. Yes, so we can say on the 2 opposite face particle is present. Okay, so not on the all the faces, but only to the 2 opposite faces, 2 particles, one above, one below, or you can say one on the side, or yes. So it is all about the end centered unit cell. Now let's revise the whole topic. We are talking about types of unit cell in this lecture. First is simple, 8 particles on 8 corners, non-primitive multiple. Apart from the 8 corners, body center, in center 1, face center, 6 phases on 6 face center. This is a face center, end center with the corner just opposite 2 phases. That's it. Yes, so this was all about types of unit cell. If we are talking about the cube, so then simple cubic unit cell, face centered cubic cell, body centered cubic cell. So we can write this as face centered cubic cell as FCC, body centered cubic cell as BCC, but always simple cubic unit cell as SCC. Yes, student, I am hoping you understood this part very well. Okay, so thank you for watching Study Live.